In my yard, I have a Norway maple, and when I bought my house, the power lines were going actually over the house. So I talked to the power company and they moved them, and they happened to run right over the top of this tree. So it gets brutalized by the tree company. They just keep chopping off the top of it. On top of that, Norway maples are invasive, so I'm going to take it down. Some of the branches were high enough to reach into the telephone line area, and I thought that they might get hung up when the tree fell over, so I cut them off with a sawzall and a pruning blade. Climbing a tree with a gas powered chainsaw seemed like a bad idea.